I'm back in Tuscany, home to Cucina Povera and Rossella's fine organic wines, which I'm yet to try.
What a beautiful vineyard this is.
But before I get to taste the good stuff, Rossella gives me a tour of her estate.
See, I need to ask you something. A glamorous woman like you,
Yeah.
okay, how do you deal in the middle of a vineyard with all this insect and dirt and everything else?
It's lovely to take care of something.
Is it?
Yes. We take care of the plants, of the nature.
Right, now it's time for the wine.
What is that machine there?
Hang on.
They are the old machines that were always used by the farmers.
No, but what I
still
want to know,
using, still
why
using.
is that machine
They
is
still
here?
exist, because we follow a method that is called biodynamic, and we spray some products in very low and small quantities in the vineyard.
I know that is going to be heavy.
Yes, it's heavy, yes.
So who's going to do it?
You do that.
Why?
Why? Because it's very heavy on the shoulders.
Ah, because now I have to be the gentleman and I'm stuck with that thing that I know is going to be heavy. I'm going to get wet.
Yeah, maybe.
So you want me to help you to spray your vineyard?
If you can.
What is it called, this thing?
Pompa spalla.
Okay.
And this is,
So this-
yes, we spray a product, very, very low, small quantity.
And I pump.
On the air in the morning.
I tell you what, oh, that's it. I tell you what, you stay on the right,
Yes.
on my right. You're going to pump me and I'm going to spray. How about that?
Yes.
This thing that we pump in is all organic stuff, right?
It's a quartz powder. It's incredible.
The mineral quartz is a natural alternative to toxic pesticides. Also, I think I can hear Radio Tuscany.
You pump, I hold. You pump, I hold. You pump, I hold. This is unbelievable. You are the only woman so far in Italy who made me all wet.
One is better than. Yes. Put it down.
Can I put it down,
Put
please?
it down, please.
Okay.
At last, time for a drink.
We go to the cellar. You will enjoy.
Rossella's motto when it comes to making wine is quality, not quantity. And depending on the variety, Rossella matures her organic wine for between 8 months and 7 years in wooden barrels before bottling.
Aha! È bello qua, eh? This is so cute. That's the word I like to use right now. It's cute. It's all small.
In this room we have the Vinsanto. And the Vinsanto is especially what you said, what we say. Vinsanto is a small production, is something very small.
But then it's just the best. So this is exactly like me. Small, petite, but you know, good quality
Good
man.
quality.
A
So-
man who knows what he's doing.
Yes, perfect. So I hope that you will come to work with me. You're perfect.
Rossella,
guy.
I am all
You're
yours.
a perfect guy.
Whatever you want me to do, I'll do it.
And especially if it means drinking delicious wine.
So now you have to try to do batonnage to this wine.
So you want me to batonnage you?
No, you have to batonnage the wine.
Ah, we batonnage. But what is batonnage? I don't know what batonnage means.
You have to take that one, and you have
What's
to.
that one?
That
This
baton,
thing here?
That is the baton.
Ah,
You-
kinky.
Yeah. Oh no.
What do we need to do? What do I need to do?
You have to. We open this, and you move the wine inside. You have to. Move.
Okay. Sorry, I was
We
thinking
have
about
a look.
something else.
We try to see.
Oh,
what
so this goes in
happens.
there.
Yes. You go.
Okay. And
And then move, please.
inside.
Inside.
All right.
And you turn around.
And I turn around
Okay.
like this. More.
More, very strong.
So this is called batonnage.
Yes, this is batonnage.
So what we?
I think
One second. Why are we doing this? Why am I doing this?
because there are some excellent components of the wine still lying on the bottom of the barrel and moving.
So it's like shaking a bottle, so then all the elements and stuff. Ah.
Rossella tells me in natural winemaking, this part of the process is very important to infusing the flavor and maturing the wine.
You know what this is remind me? When I do the bath for my wife and she puts all those minerals and I batonnage her bath, that's the same, exactly the same thing.
Okay. So stop now, it's enough.
Okay.
It's enough. good. You have to take off
Yeah.
this and put down there.
And we put
again.
it down there. Okay, Rossella, I want to ask you something. At what point are we going to do some drinking? I'm not looking for a work.
No?
I'm looking for the drink. Let's do this.
Okay, we drink.
Where is the drinking?
We go and see.
Come on, I'll follow you. I'll follow you. And the dog. What's his name is?
It's Chucky.
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 Chucky. Chucky, come on, let's do drink some wine. Come on, Chucky.